Lost and found. Lost and found. The Railway Tale! Hello, engines. Hello, sir. Thank goodness we had extra parts from those trucks. We were able to fix you iron. Iron blush. Anyhow, I considered that this wouldn't work. Having 2 engines was good, but considering we're expanding the railway, it wouldn't be enough. We need a station terminus and another goods engine. We need a shunter and a goods engine. Unfortunately, there aren't many options, so I managed to strike a deal with another engine. He's a bit same as yours, but he has 4 wheels instead of 6. Small wheels instead of 6. Where is he? What? Sorry. Meet number 3. He doesn't have a name, but he's still working on it. Why is he crashing? No reason. Just some troubles. Just need a tune-up, that's all. Okay, number 3. First up, since you're new on the line, you might get lost. So, you might not know where the sheds are. Would you like me to give you directions? No, sir. Whoa. I am fine. Thank you, sir. But, bye, sir. I'll just take my little goods train, to the end of the line, sir. Yes. Oh, okay, if you're wanting that. I can't tell him I'm a failed engine. I can't tell him. 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 The little number 3 was going through the countryside. He found it beautiful, but very difficult. He loved the beautiful countryside, hearing the bigger engines, honks and whistles. It was beautiful, he would say. Until he soon got lost at a switch. I was supposed to take this goods train near the station. But which way am I supposed to take this to the station? Is it left or is it right? Oh, I'm gonna fail him and I'm gonna be scrapped. Okay, left. Little did he know that track led towards the shed. The sheds were near the station. But I don't think he would. But I don't think this little engine, number 3, would know. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Am I supposed to be here? Am I supposed to be here? Why do I see the sheds? I know the sheds are close to the station, but where's the station? Did it disappear? Oh dear. He didn't realize I was going too fast. Oh no, must get a grip. After a long, hard day of work, I need a nice nap in the sheds until the little engines came off the rail. The little number 3 was rushing off the rails like zapping like that. What was that? Oh dear. I just wanted a nap in the sheds, not a paparazzi. I can't even sleep in this place anymore. What have you done, little engine? Soon the controller of the railway, Mr. Steele, arrived. Oh dear, oh dear. I'm certain that you must have had a teething trouble or something. No, sir, I'm a failed design. Your engines have small 8 wheels, while I only have 4. My 4 wheels aren't made that well, and I was supposed to give me better speeds and for express services, but that didn't cease to do well, and I crash off, and I go too fast, and I have to put on my brakes more often than usual. Oh dear, that can't be good. No, that can't be good. So you're going to scrap me, sir, and sell me for parts to buy a better and bigger engine than me? No. I'm sorry, sir. Any engine welcome here is a part of the team, even if they're flawed designs. When I was a little kid, I read a book called Henry the Green Engine. I always thought Henry was a fictional design, but then I realized Sir Topham took care of him. It was a failed design from the start, just to make some money. But then Sir Topham took care of him, brought him back to and rebuilt. That's the exact same I'm going to do to you. I'm going to give you a complete overhaul and rebuild. Overhaul and rebuild, sir? Isn't that a bit much? No worries. I'm going to make sure you're part of the railway. You must be in tip-top shape. We have at least a little bit of parts, but I'll order the rest in my index. And he walked away. Iron, Chuck, I want you two to clean up the mess. Yes, sir. Iron, I want you to take the goods train back on the rails and take it to the station. Yes, sir. Chuck, I want you to take this engine onto the workbench. Yes, sir. So, Iron took the goods train back to the station where it belonged. And Chuck pulled number 3 out. Well, even though you still need a name, we need to call you that. Well, maybe my old driver was called, Johnny. Johnny's a nice name. Or Heavier is a nice name. Yes, I kind of like it myself. But my first driver was called Luke. Johnny wasn't my driver's name. That was his middle name. But out of all of it, I think I liked his first name, Luke. Luke is a nice name. Indeed, Luke. I'll make sure to get brass fittings for it, to get brass nameplates just for you. He's paying a lot. For me, the shed, the nameplates. That's all because you're part of the team. I'm sorry I didn't tell you sooner. Yep. And I guess I should have followed orders. All new engines go through that. You are lost. You were lost, but then you were found. The 2 engines locked as the sun set.